From winning the war against India, showing Pakistan as a most defensive power, and then spreading peace all over the world, considering themselves as the peacemakers and the global leaders for peace against the Iran-US war, Pakistan has once again set an example of the most defensive nation. So, under the consideration and under the strategic leadership of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Pakistan has once again proved that we are there to defend ourselves and on their side the whole Muslim Ummah. Of course, when you talk about Saudi Arabia, you know that Saudi Arabia is the most powerful and defensive nation. And on the other side, of course, when you see Turkey as well, Turkey has been known for their most, powerful defensive system. And when you see Pakistan, Pakistan doesn't have to show it because, of course, we have just, won the war against India as well. And whenever, Afghanistan, India, there are so many countries who pollute the system of Pakistan, who try their best to, inject their hatred towards Pakistan, but still Pakistan is there to defend ourselves, our people, and everybody living here. And of course, when you know that Saudi Arabia has been known for the leaders of Makkah and of course the public, the people, all the Muslim Ummah. So of course, Turkey, when you see Turkey has been known for their Muslim leaders who have been always protecting the whole Muslim Ummah, and they were the leaders to spread Islam as well and protectors, of course. So on the other side, Saudi Arabia was known for that. And right now, what actually is coming to my mind is that Pakistan has become the leader of the Muslim Ummah as well. So this agreement doesn't really show that, of course, these three countries are united, but on the other side, it is also showing that Pakistan has become the leader of all Muslim Ummah, because Makkah is the most holy place for all Muslim people, and it is being considered and respected by Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and Pakistan right now. So Pakistan has become the protectors once again. Of course, we have done so many efforts whenever there is a situation about Muslim Ummah. We stand there. We stood for Palestine as well. We stood for all the situations wherever Muslims were getting hurt or facing the troubles. We were there for them. But this time, Turkey and Saudi Arabia has been connected. They were always the brothers for us. But this time, actually, what agreement says is that if anybody tries to attack any of these three countries, will be considered as the attack on all these three countries. Like if anyone tries to attack Pakistan, Turkey and Saudi Arabia will be there just as brothers, because it won't be considered as an attack on Pakistan. It will be considered as an attack on all these three countries, which includes Saudi Arabia and Turkey. So this is a huge achievement and news for all Pakistani people from Saudi Arabia and people from Turkey, because we all are brothers. We have to support our, all the Muslim Ummah as well, because our leaders are there to protect ourselves. And on the other side, everywhere people living, they're Muslims and they try to protect themselves. And of course, when you see the Makkah agreement, what it actually shows is that there is a legacy which is coming from Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and now Pakistan. So Pakistan has once again proved that we are a defensive power, of course, because we believe ourselves. If anybody tries to attack here or in Saudi Arabia or Turkey, we are there to protect all them. But on the other side, of course, as a Muslim leaders, as the Muslim protectors. So I'm really happy about it, and every Muslim, every Pakistani would be very happy about it, because this is the achievement we have just made back to back. We are going through a lot of things which we were facing as issues, and right now we are standing in the front with a pride. And of course, I want to thank to Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, who is creating an image of Pakistan higher and higher day by day. We are doing a lot of things. People come here, visit in Pakistan. They meet with the Field Marshal. They meet to the political leaders as well, Prime Minister, and they show the courage actually, and they show the partnership, and they discuss about the connections which can be done for the betterment of Pakistan and the future, and the connections and the friendships between the ambassadors who are coming from different countries to Pakistan. There are a lot of things happening, but this agreement which has just made has shown a reflection of peace and a reflection of defensive powers. So everyone should be very happy about it. And as our Field Marshal used to say, forever long live Pakistan.